Uh, I take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks for today's event on behalf of Sir Vitthal Das Thakasi College of Home Science. I would like to thank our honorable principal for being the catalyst that keeps stimulating us to do our best. And of course, thank you, ma'am, for giving our team this opportunity to connect the youth for this environmental cause. I extend my thanks to IQAC coordinator, Dr. Armati Shukla, for conceiving this idea of a wonderful way of celebrating World Environment Day via connecting, inspiring youth. Thank you, ma'am, for all the guidance and support throughout this journey. I express my deep sense of gratitude to the Ra Foundation for adding more value to this program. And I need to mention my deepest sense of appreciation to all the speakers for sharing their experience, their expertise, their ideas with elegance of explanation. My reverence to all the speakers for sparing their precious time and enlightening us with a lot of knowledge and a lot of action plans which can be taken up at our level also. I thank all the judges for time and efforts put in evaluating all the entries within the given time frame. It was such a short notice, but I think they have done a wonderful job of evaluating so many entries. Yeah. Um, a teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. I think on the same note, our teachers are always striving in sharpening the young generation in all aspects. So we have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated teaching staff, our institution. And yes, our student council is also not less. So they all are well versed with their job. My sincere thanks to them all who worked really hard to make this Environment Day celebration happens. I appreciate their involvement, the willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. A special thank to all the co-conveners, Student Council President Ms. Sakshi, for their immense contribution at each step of conceptualizing and execution of various action plans of the program. A big thank to blooming birds of the institution. I would like to place on record the name of Miss Gopika, Miss Nitya, Miss Vedika, Miss Akanksha, who worked on the presentation, and then of course Miss Vidhi and Miss Kosha, who made this entire event cheerful. Finally, with folded hands, much respect and reverence, no Planet B team thank participants of competition and everyone who is attending this webinar. Okay. Thank you all of you. I request all to kindly fill in the responses in the feedback form. The link is shared in the chat box. And those who have participated in the competitions, you will receive a link, feedback link, uh, separately as per the competition in which you have participated. And based on the once you fill in the form, you will receive an e-certificate for attending webinar as well as for the participation in competition. Yeah, that's it. Thank you all of you.
So thank you once again to everybody. I think I need to thank my 8th class kids and the youngest kids who participated in the competitions, and they were so excited to see the videos which they put up. And I think a folded hands thank you to all of you. I think you are the real youth. What Tanmay was talking, I think these are the kids at the age, and in class 8 they are in a wanting to participate in such competitions wherein we are talking about environment friendly initiatives. So I think I thank all the participants, and congratulate all the prize winners and all the students who worked very hard for this event. And big round of applause for Team Planet B, I think led by Dr. Armaiti.
No Planet B. No Planet B.
Team Planet B event. Okay.
Okay.
So led by Dr. Armaiti, Dr. Rajeshri, Himani, Bhamini, all the heads of the department, and I think our vice principal Manjari, COE, Rekha. I mean, everybody who contributed here, and you just already thanked everyone and all our speakers. I think you all was just brilliant, and we had a very good celebration on this Environment Day. And like I told Sarika that, we'll come back on the next Environment Day to submit a report as to what we did after listening to Tanmay or after listening to Sarika and after listening to Ashpreet, that, what action plans we made and how did we contribute, in this last year when we meet, in the next World Environment Day. So we commit to work towards it. And thank you very much for being here.
We would also like to encourage these young children not to give up, do better, and next year also participate with even more cartoons and jingles and videos. Everybody was a winner because the thought of saving our planet itself is a winning thought. So do participate next year also. Don't finish it at one day, 24 hours, and the thought is over. Continue with it in your heart. That is very important.
And please keep looking up our website and Ra Foundation website. We are going to create a special page for you, right? A special banner for you. All your work is going to be put up over there with the links, and share it with all your near and dear ones, so that let everyone see the kind of good work you've done and how we celebrated the World Environment Day. Okay? So thank you very much once again. Bye-bye. Have a good day.